Cite. To mention or quote. The teacher asked us to cite our sources. Cite. Something you see. The mountain view was a beautiful sight. Affect. To change something. Cold weather can affect your health. Effect. The result. The medicine had a good effect. Advice. Suggestion. My teacher gave me great advice. Advise. To give a suggestion. Doctors advise people to drink more water. Farther. Physical distance. My school is farther than yours. Further. More/extra. We need further information. Lose. To misplace. I always lose my keys. Loose. Not tight. My shirt is too loose. Quiet. Silent. Please stay quiet in the library. Quite. Very. This movie is quite good. Then. Next. Finish your work, then relax. Than. Comparison. She is taller than me. Weather. Climate. The weather is very cold today. Whether. If. I don't know whether he will come. Stationery. Not moving. The car stayed stationary at the red light. Stationery. Pens, papers. I bought new stationery today. Complement. Something that completes or matches. That bag complements your outfit. Compliment. A nice comment. She gave me a sweet compliment. Moral. Lesson or what is right/wrong. The story's moral is to always be honest. Morale. Confidence or spirit. The team's morale improved after winning. Personal, private. This is my personal opinion. Personnel, staff or employees. The company's personnel are very skilled. Principle, rule or belief. Honesty is an important principle. Principal, school head or main/most important. The school principal spoke at the event. Altogether, completely. This plan is altogether impossible. All together. Everyone in one group. We sang the song all together. Assure, to make someone confident. I assure you everything is fine. Ensure, to make sure. Please ensure the door is locked. Access, ability to enter/use. I don't have access to that file. Excess, too much. There is excess sugar in this tea. Accept, to take/agree. She happily accepted the offer. Except, not including. Everyone came except Ollie. Desert, dry area of sand. Camels live in the desert. Dessert, sweet dish. I ordered ice cream for dessert. Borrow, take. Can I borrow your pen? Lend, give. I can lend you my book. Imply, to suggest. He didn't say it, but he implied he was tired. Infer, to understand from clues. I inferred that she was upset. Thanks for watching and subscribe us for more.